Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I've changed the micro count here, even though it's a little bit unclear how this, what kind of pattern is evolving here. I currently assume anyway that we are in this third wave rally that would take us to around $30 plus. Obviously, we need to look at this subwave structure as well. And to me, it looks like we could still be in this wave one. Because most coins are currently doing their wave 4 pullbacks, or some of them at least, it is also likely that Solana is doing that. Again, the subwave structure is not entirely clear. I can interpret it as, okay, we've now finished the third wave, or we've just finished the first wave of the higher degree third wave. Yeah, so it could either be third wave done, off wave 1, off wave 3, which would then sit even higher, or first wave already done. So that's just a little bit unclear at this stage. But again, don't get too confused about the subwave structures. We had two entry points. Here's one, here's one, here's one, yeah. And the market turned around in the trend reversal area. And it, I mean, we just need to let it play out now, I think. It's generally the trend is up. I think we can get one more squiggle up here. Bear in mind that there is important resistance at 2680. Which is the previous wave 1 high of the 30th of January. And this structure just leaves a bit of room for interpretation, yeah. But all of them are part of the overall scenario that we are now in a third wave rally. Oh, I don't know why it's copying that in. All of them are currently part of that we are in a third wave rally. This wave 4 pullback should not drop below 2269. But what I cannot rule out is that wave 1 is already finished, which means if it is, and we have a wave 2 pullback here now, it could come down a bit deeper, and then support is $21 as indicated yesterday. So that means if we drop below this orange support area, it would not be bearish. I would rather see it as another opportunity for a deeper pullback in an overall uptrend, which means a possible pullback trade for anybody who wants to do it. Of course, no financial advice. That's your individual decision. So we just need to be open here to possibly a deeper pullback, because the lower wave situation isn't entirely clear. But certainly what is important is that these trend reversal areas did hold. So anybody who used these areas could still just move up their stop loss maybe, or just let it play out and see where we are going. Because overall, if we are in a third wave, and eventually if we just zoom out a little bit and look at this wave 1 with a larger third wave target, which is sort of the higher degree, then we're looking at a target for a third wave of around, the 1.618, $47 as a minimum for this third wave. And depending on how the subwaves develop, this could even be stronger. So as I said before, generally, as long as we're holding 1732, there is at the moment nothing bearish on this chart in this structure here that developed since the end of December. So against 1732, we can focus on higher. That's the higher degree structure. But obviously there are different ways of how this third wave could unfold. But overall, against that level, the trend is up in my opinion. Yeah. Ideally, we do not break below 2269 now before we push higher in a fifth wave of a first. If we do, then support is $21. All right, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.